All right, we're gonna end it on a cool, we're gonna end it on a ambitious note. The universe might be a giant loop. I'm just let that simmer for a minute there, like simmer like a stew on the stove. The universe, what shape is space? Ah! Ow! That's where the brain just, what's that? The meat. What shape is space?
This looks like Kanye West's t-shirt.
Yeah, he would love that. Kanye would try to sell you that 20 times over. Everything we know about the shape of the universe could be wrong. This is coming via livescience.com. It was published November 4th in the journal Nature Astronomy. It is not a new idea, but it's a re-emerging idea that maybe the universe is not flat, but instead it is a gigantic loop. And this is kind of reminiscent of the original thought about Earth.
Flat Earth?
Yeah, of course it's flat. Flat is just easier to comprehend.
Yeah.
And then eventually it's like, wait a sec. We got all these other things happening. Gravity. Things are round. Gravitational force. The sun. All that cool stuff. Now, it's important to note that this is not official, like a lot of early scientific discoveries or research. There's disputes over still whether or not these findings are significant or not. This is the basis for this discovery is around data from the cosmic microwave background, which is called the CMB in science. This is also referred to as the faint echo of the Big Bang. The CMB, and they analyzed the CMB. Like, does that put a smile on your face? Imagine you're doing this type of research. Honey, I'm just checking out. Let me get back to the CMB.
Yeah.
Wow. If the universe is curved, according to the new paper, it curves gently. That slow bending isn't important for moving around our lives, our solar system, or even our galaxy, but travel beyond all of that, outside our galactic neighborhood, far into the deep blackness, and eventually, moving in a straight line, you'll loop around and end up right back where you started. I mean, we're obviously in Neil deGrasse Tyson territory right now, so we're going to take it real easy. We're going to tread real carefully through here, but even the idea of the measuring the CMB, it already gets me all fired up. They found an anomaly in data from the new best ever measurement of the CMB, which led them to this way of thinking that it's possibly this large loop. Now, again, people disagree. Other cosmologists think it's a flat thing. One thing they all seem to agree on is the fact that it's expanding whatever it is. Even if it's a loop, it's an expanding loop. Stretching. I can tell you're really into this, Will.
Yeah, I can't even fathom. I'm just thinking about Fruit Loops.
Oh! It comes back. The universe is a giant Fruit Loop. FROOT. You want to know something, Will?
There you go.
If we're in a giant loop, we're in it together. You understand? You, me, Otis, Kirk, Jack, and everybody who's watching. Shout out. Let's Fruit Loop together.